Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to make this little kitty cat tunnel. All right, goes together like that, and then it flexes. All right, and I just got some little material, and you can kind of put your cat in there. If you want to see how to make a cat tree, I made that about 2 years ago. That's on my YouTube channel, so you can check that out. All right. So the first thing you want to do is find yourself some really cute fabric. I had this laying around. I got it at a swatch at one of the craft stores maybe about a year or so ago. All right, because I plan on making some other stuff. Okay, after that, then you want to go ahead and take some wire. I'm just using some jewelry wire, some regular old jewelry wire. Then you want to unravel it. And then you want to get yourself some wire cutters and cut that off of there. Okay, now you want to get yourself something round. Now you can use like these little jewelry wire bending tools, but you don't need that. You just go ahead and hold it tight and just keep wrapping it in a circle. Okay, you want to make it pretty tight because it's gonna unravel and get bigger once you do that. All right, now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and bend the corner. Okay, so that way you're creating a little loop here that goes like this, and then you're going to put that on there and then bend it up. That way it connects that to that. All right, just like that. Now you want to measure your material just like this, and then you want to run a bead of glue right along there. Now, if it's easier for you, you can take a pencil or a pen or something like that, and you can go ahead and mark where the edge of the fabric is going to meet. Just like that. Okay? Then you want to take a very thin layer of hot glue and just kind of go right along that edge. Then you want to take your material and you want to bend it right up against there and then press it down. All right. Now, once you have that done, you want to go ahead and finish off this piece here with a little bit more hot glue. My hot glue stick wasn't down, so it wasn't coming out. So don't use a lot of glue if that's what you think I just did. All right, and then you want to go ahead and do that. Let it cool off, and then open it back up. And then you want to make sure you pull it all nice and straight, and take your wire, and then you just kind of want to twist it in there. To make sure that you get it all in the hole. Just like that. Okay? The next thing you want to do, after you get it down in there, it can be a little tedious, is you want to go ahead and put a tiny bit of hot glue around here. All right? Do a little bit at a time and be careful not to burn your fingers. And then you want to twist that down and fold it under the wire. And it is kind of tedious a little bit because it will want to pop back at you. Just be patient. And then tuck that in. And then do the same thing here. Until you get a circle. And then you have it like that. Now you're going to repeat this process the other end. Okay, now once you have it done, you want to go back in the back and trim up any frays. And they actually have stuff that you can put on here to keep the frays from coming back. It's called liquid stitch. Or if you don't have that, you can use some tacky glue. All right, and then there you have a larger one of this. And I actually ran it in 2 different ways, so in case you want to go ahead and do your own, you can kind of see which way your pattern you would like it better. You have this one, which is vertical, and the other one, which is horizontal. And then they both scrunch, okay? Now, if you want to see how to do the cat tree, that is on my website, dollhousetutorials.com. There's 2 different styles of that turned out really, really cute. So check that out. But in the meantime, here's your little cat things. And the camera obviously is moving. Sorry about that. And I will be posting some more videos soon. I'll be making a cat bed for you guys and lots more. So hit the subscribe button so you can see what's coming up next. If you want some dollhouse tutorials or templates, sorry, go on my website, download them. They're free to use. There's backsplashes, wallpaper, floor tiles, you name it, along with lots and lots of furniture templates. If you do Barbie and you notice my furniture is scaled to 1/12, all you have to do is double your measurements. That makes the Barbie size work. So like if my material or my templates say to use something that's 3 inches, you would just do 6 inches instead. So it's really simple. All right. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and I will see you the next time. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.